Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram live option not showing problem? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users are experiencing this issue in Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. So let's start. Viewers, if I go to my Instagram account, here you can see my Instagram account post story and reels option showing, but Instagram live option not showing. After new update of Instagram, new condition have been added for going live on Instagram. Let's see those condition. For that, go to your profile, tap on three line icon, scroll down, go to help option. Now tap on help center. Now tap on three line icon. Go to Instagram features. Now scroll down. Here you can see live option. Now tap on live option. From here you can see start a live broadcast on Instagram. Just select this option. Here you can see all condition to go live on Instagram that Instagram recently introduced. According to Instagram new terms and condition, you must have at least 1000 followers to go live on Instagram. That means if you have less than 1000 followers, you will not able to go live on Instagram. So if you want to go live on Instagram, you must have 1000 followers and your account must be public. If your account is a teen account, then you will need to permission from your guardian or parents. However, if you are a 16 or 17 years old, then you will do not need to this permission. If you meet the mentioned condition, you can go live on Instagram. If the live option not showing after meeting all mentioned condition, then uninstall your Instagram apps and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.